Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to know when to buy and sell a coin for profit on Binance. Before I continue, if you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and the stock market, and I sometimes talk about how to make money online. So if you love money conversations and you really want to make money, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you contribute to the growth of my YouTube channel. Yes, thank you. And don't forget to like this video. The more people like this video, the more people will get to see this video on YouTube. So make sure you like this video. Now to how to know how to buy, when to buy and sell a coin for profit on Binance. Now there are different technical analyses that you can use to determine when to buy a coin or when to sell a coin on Binance, but I will be showing you guys just one of those technical indicators. So if you want me to talk about more after this video, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and put on your post notifications so you can get notified anytime I drop a new video. So in this video guys, I'll be showing you guys how to use one of the technical indicators to know when to buy a coin and when to sell a coin. So let me just enlarge this thing. Let me enlarge it here. I'm actually going to be using BTC USDT. Now if you check up here, this is the time frame. You can use any time frame, but when you are doing technical analysis of a coin, make sure you use you stick to just one time frame. Don't just change time frame anyhow. But most times I use 4-hour time frame. So to check the technical indicators, you just click here, this icon here, technical indicator, and it's going to show you the various technical indicators that you can use to determine when to buy a coin or when to sell a coin, or how to do technical analysis of a coin. Now I'm going to be using MACD in this video. MACD. Now MACD means moving average convergence divergence. MACD is an indicator that is used for technical analysis of a coin, and also helps you to know the direction a coin is going. And I think they also use it in the stock market analysis too. Yeah, they use it in the stock market analysis too. So to use MACD, let me just cancel. So I've clicked on MACD. You can see it down here. This is it. MACD. Now, as you can see, if you check, you see that you have green, red, green, red, green, red, and here you have these two lines. I think the color of these two lines are purple. This one is purple, and the second line is red. Now let me try and go back a little bit. Let's try to just take it from behind, from how the thing has been doing for a while now. But let me first take something about the lines, the red and purple lines. When you see these two lines and then you see that the lines are far apart, they are kind of far, but they are not too near, they are far apart. It means that the price volatility of the coin you are checking is low. But when the lines are too close, when they are too close to each other, it means that the price volatility is high of the coin you are checking is high. I'm very sure most of you should know the meaning of volatility. High volatility means that the price of a coin can change drastically over a period of time, while low volatility means that the price of a coin changes at a steady pace over a period of time. Yeah, so that's the meaning of high and low volatility. Now, but when the lines are crossing, you can see that here the lines are apart, here maybe the lines are close, but anyway you see the lines crossing, like here they are crossing, here again too, where the lines are crossing, here where the lines, anytime you see the lines crossing, it means that the coin will change direction. If the coin was in red before, it will change to green. If it was in green before, it will change to red. Now take an example from here. You can see the lines crossed here, then it was on red before, it changed to green. If you move forward again, the lines crossed here, from here it moved to red, then here again the lines crossed again, then it moved to green. The lines didn't cross at all here, so it was still green till this point. When the lines crossed again, it moved to red. If you continue to check, let me continue to check. So if you continue to check here, at this point it crossed again, it moved to red. At this point it crossed here in the middle here, just a little, crossed to green and then to red again. Then at this point it crossed and changed to green. Now it just means that when the coin is changing back to red, it just means that it's going down. Then maybe you can just wait for it to go down to a position in which you want to buy. And then when you see that the coin is changing back to green, it means that you should buy. Now take for example, if you look at this point here, it means that it's changing back to green, which means that the coin is planning to go up. So let's say for example you bought it at this point where it's about to enter green. So you can say that means you must have bought it at this point, then till the point where it's reaching red again. That's this point again. So that's just how you can just know when to buy and sell. If you are a crypto trader, you can just buy a coin here, you buy it here, and then you sell at this point. Even though the profit is, I don't think the profit, that's just from like $31,000 to $34,000. That's a reasonable amount of profit there. And also here again, you can see it showed you that the coin is coming down. And here again, it was about to change to green. Then it showed you that the coin is going up. So you can just buy here again at this point. And then you can see it changes back to red at this point. So you can just sell here. So when it showed that it's changing back to red, it means that it's coming down. So you can see it came down again to this point, came down again to this point. Let me just, so it came down again to this point, and at this point it showed you that okay, this coin is going up again, it's changing back to green. So you can just buy again at this point, and then you sell when it tells you can do this point. Yeah, you can sell at this point. That's actually a reasonable amount of profit. And yeah, it told you that it's coming down, so it's coming down again, and yeah, it told you that it's going up again. So you can just buy here, and then you can still, if you want to sell here, whether you still want to hold or anyhow you want to do it. So that is how you can use MACD, moving average convergence, divergence, to determine when to buy a coin and when to sell a coin. So if you want more videos on technical analysis and how to use some of these technical indicators, these are technical indicators. I can show you how to use each and every one of these indicators on my YouTube channel. So if you want more, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, tap the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video, and don't forget to like this video. And if you have crypto trading friends, your friends are crypto traders, make sure you share this video with them, especially those that are beginners, those that are just going to the market and just guess when to buy a coin. They don't do any kind of analysis before buying a coin. I will show you that. And also technical analysis you don't have to know all the technical indicators before you can be a good crypto trader. Once you can just know like 2 or 3 or 4, max of 4. For me, I use 3 of these technical indicators for my analysis, but I'm going to show you guys everything on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe, share this video, and like this video. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.